The first React task that you are going to work on is to render some text called first React onto the web browser. And I want that to be within the HTML header blocks, H1. Go to the script block and start using the React API. React DOM.render is the function. The render function takes two arguments. The first argument is JSX. H1, the header tag within which I want the text first React. This is the element that I want to be rendered onto the web browser. The second argument is the DOM element within which we want this markup to be rendered. I want it to directly go into the document body. So this represents the DOM element within which we want this markup to go into. The first argument looks like HTML, but it is JSX. And this JSX will be transpiled into code that can generate this HTML markup for us. The equivalent HTML markup will be generated by the code that will be transpiled by Babel. So Babel takes this JSX, transpiles it into JavaScript, and that JavaScript is responsible for generating the equivalent HTML code for us. Isn't it cool? There are no escape sequences, no double quotes, nothing here. We can directly use HTML-like elements, which is JSX, inside our JavaScript. Save this, and for Babel to transpile this JSX into JavaScript, we'll have to use the type attribute on our script element. Type is equal to text/Babel. Instead of text/JavaScript, we are using text/Babel. Save this, make sure you have an internet connection. Open your script first reaction.html in the web browser. Right click, open with Chrome, and you will see first React. At this point, the browser would have pulled these scripts from the internet, the React DOM APIs or the libraries, and the Babel JavaScript library. The Babel JavaScript library looks at the script block. It knows that it is text/Babel, so it will convert this JSX into equivalent React or JavaScript code that can generate this HTML element for us. And then it renders it onto the document body.